Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the fuel filter on BMW 320d E90 model. The fuel filter on this car is located underneath the car, just over this cover. So first we need to remove the cover in order to get access to the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter right there. Next we need to remove the clamp on the left, and then there is another clamp on the other side that we need to remove. Afterwards we remove the bolt that holds the fuel filter, and then we can disconnect the fuel filter from the hoses. And that's the fuel filter removed. Now we can put on the new fuel filter. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. We assemble everything in the same way, and then we go inside the car, and we'll try to start the car. This car has electric supply fuel pump, so we need to turn ignition on and off about 5-10 times in order for the fuel pump to bleed the fuel system, and then we can start the car. Thank you for watching.